Go.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley and I'm gonna teach you the phonic sound of alphabet. A. A is for apple. A sounds like ah. Next. B. 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 B is for ball. C. K. 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 C is for cat. D. D is for dinosaur. The. Next. E. E is for egg. A. F. F is for fish.
Ako na bigyan sa'yo.
G. G is for guitar. G. 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 Next. H. H is for hat. That's of the sound for the HK. Next. I. E. 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 Next. J. 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 Next. K. 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 K is for kitten. Next.
Lion.
Huh? L. L is for lion. Next. M. M is for monkey. Next. N. N is for nose. Next. O. O. O is for octopus. O. Next. P. P is for penguin. P. 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 Next. Q. Q is for queen. Q sounds like this. Qua, qua, qua. That's of the sound of the Q, okay? Next. R. R is for rose. R. Next. S. S is for sock. Socks. Next. D. D is for drink. D sounds like this. T, 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 okay? That's of the sound of the T. Next, U. U is for umbrella. Next, V. V is for vacuum. V sounds like this. W. W is for whale. W sounds like this. W, 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 w. Next. X. Make unlike this and do like this, okay? Like this. This is the sound of X. X, 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 X. X is for xylophone. Next, Y.
Oh.
Y is for yo-yo. Y sounds like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Remember that, okay? Next, Z. Z is for zipper. Next, bye-bye.